Well, created by the former Ringling Brothers Ringmaster Kevin Venardos. Get ready for the Venardos Circus coming to Tempe. It's here right now. It's animal-free. It's a Broadway musical style show. You're going to see aerialists, acrobats, jugglers, comedy, magic, and more. And we're scoring you a Smart Shopper deal of the day for half off general admission. Now, adult tickets will drop in price from $25 to $12.50, and tickets for kids 12 years and younger will drop from $15 to $7.50. And if you have one baby who's 2 years or younger, they can sit in your lap for free with a paid adult ticket. This is going to be valid for next Wednesday and Thursday night shows only. They're at 7 o'clock. You have until Tuesday, April 16th at 11:59 p.m. to get our discount, and the promo code is ABC15. And be sure to put it in all caps. It is cap sensitive. There's also a pre-show party. This is about an hour before the show begins, where you can snap selfies, play games. There's going to be food there too. No peanuts, but they will have other treats for sale.
I'm glad you said that, right?
Yeah.
All these peanut-sensitive kids, for sure.
Exactly.
This sounds like fun.
So much fun.
I like this one.
I can't
Good
wait.
job, Chelsea.
Thank you.
Don't run away and join the circus, though. Make sure you come back.
Oh,
So we'll make sure it's
fine.
your
That could be fun, though.
Yeah.
I'll just try it once.
Thank you.